There was a man came from my hometown. Didn't have no money, he was always down. Johnny Stark, that was his name. In a few short years, he's gonna rise to fame. When he was young, he'd have to steal to eat. And a shakedown bed, he'd share to sleep. Late at night, his pa would come home drunk, shout out his mouth, call him a punk. I'll be raised a king. Oh, that's what I'll be. You can look out for me now. My weapons will be sharp. I'll get you in the dark, yeah. Some years later, he grown up fast. He got right down cool and didn't want to be last. Became the leader of the local gang, singing as he went, this is a song he sang. I'm a razor king. Oh, you can look up for me now. Ooh, Johnny Stark's my name. My weapons will be sharp. I'll get you in the dark, yeah. Some years later, his reputation spread. A man with no fear, so it was said. Leader of a gang, now 2,000 strong. Johnny didn't realize that he was doing wrong. Back in the night, he was to lose his crown. Marching down Main Street, he was going way down. Weapons are flashing, clear in his eye. Johnny didn't realize that he was gonna die. I'm a razor king. Oh, that's what I am.